Salt cod is dried fish with big flavor and a long history. It is popular in countries around the Atlantic and Mediterranean, so this includes France and Italy, as well as Brazil, the Caribbean, West Africa, and even Scandinavia. In fact, historians believe it was the Vikings who first figured out how to salt cod. In the same way that salt makes fresh pork into prosciutto, there are chemical reactions that the salt kicks off and the curing process that makes the cod more delicious. It also creates a meaty, almost steak-like texture. Now, the process is very simple for making salt cod. You literally put the large fillets in salt, coat them on both sides, and let it dry. Now, in certain climates, if it's very dry, you can actually put them on a clothesline and let them hang out. One of the reasons that salt cod was so popular for many centuries is because it's a very easy fish to salt and preserve. Oily fish are more challenging because the salt takes longer to penetrate an oily fish, and also the fatty fish can get rancid during the curing process. Cod has almost no fat, and so it has none of those problems. Now, no matter the preparation, almost every recipe begins with the same step, which is to soak the fish for at least a day. During that period, you're going to want to change the water, and then it's simmered and shredded. At that point, it's ready to make a fritter like they would in Jamaica, or maybe cooked with potatoes to make brandade like they do in France. Now, it's very simple to buy the fish. You can find it in boxes like this, these little crates, in most fish markets and even some better supermarkets. You can also see it in plastic pouches like this. Because it's shelf stable, this is also a fish that's very easy to mail order. Get some today and try cooking with it.
If you're ready to take your cooking to the next level, try our digital all-access membership, where you can stream every season of Cook's Country anytime. Scan the QR code or head over to cookscountry.com to sign up for a free trial.
And let's make something great together.